Hi, I'm Melody from Always Be Vacationing, where life is to be experienced. Let's dip our toes in the ocean, take a quick walk down Ocean Drive, stop for a yummy lunch, and then do some cruise ship spotting. The Port of Miami is one of the busiest cruise ports in the U.S. There's a good chance you'll have a port day in Miami when you're sailing the Caribbean. It's hurricane season and ships are sailing. In between the torrential downpours, Rod and I make a quick stop at South Beach. South Beach average water temperature ranges from 71.6 in the winter to 82.4 in the summer. This year, however, the temperature is warm and will most likely go over 85 degrees. Feels really amazing to us humans, but not so much for the fish and coral. Ocean Drive is located between 5th and 15th Streets. This is where you'll find a vibrant Miami nightlife that's full of diverse music and awesome people watching opportunities. The Delta variant is exploding and our hospitals are bulging at the seams. As you people watch, notice how people are choosing to mask and social distance. Honestly, the beach and Ocean Drive seem pretty empty. But on this day, is it weather related? We stopped for lunch at Breakwater's Havana 1957. The extensive menu consists of genuine Cuban dishes that are prepared by renowned chef Juan Luis Rosales, using the freshest ingredients and perfecting each detail in the presentation. The house specialty is Pollo Havana 1957, which is roasted chicken in a savory Cuban gravy with rice, black beans, and plantains. We opted for lunch, ordering Cubano sandwiches. Pulled pork sandwich and sandwich Havana 1957. Check the description below for more information and the prices we paid for those sandwiches. After lunch, we hoofed it quick to the car to beat another Miami downpour. Some of the restaurant names made us chuckle. Traffic in Miami is pretty crazy on a clear day. Driving in the pouring rain as a tourist is a bit of a white knuckle experience. Luckily, Rod is an experienced bad weather driver. It always gives me the happy chills to see cruise ships in port. So let's play a game. We have 3 challenge questions for you today. Plop your answers in the comments below and let's get started. Number 1, name the ships that you see in port. Number 2, what is your experience with one of these ships? And number 3, when is your next cruise out of Miami? We are excited to see what you say. for watching today. Tune into our next series where we are sailing Harmony of the Seas out of Barcelona. Follow the link and check out the series trailer.